What's up, YouTube? With the Pokemon 20th anniversary it's been going on, I decided to burn through my wallet and get some Pokemon stuff. Pokemon to me has always been like a childhood thing to me. And I still play Pokemon on my phone whenever I have time, especially when I'm traveling. And uh, and I haven't owned a Game Boy since when it first came out. Um, I'm used to like the Gen 1 Pokemon cards. I'm used to like the old school stuff. I decided to get my first 3DS, and I decided I wanted to get the limited edition one. So this thing is so awesome. Like, not only it's 3DS, but it's limited edition, but has the old school Pokemon games. I first played it with the missing number. Honestly, I wish they included the missing number in future Pokemon games, you know. But I remember leveling up my Pokemon to like 400 because of the missing number glitch. I can't wait to open this and start playing this. Like, I'm not used to like the shiny Pokemon. I'm not used to like the new Pokemon games. It's totally far from what I'm used to playing. Anyways, besides that, decided to buy the Mythical Mew. I was expecting the box to be a lot bigger. I mean, it's pretty tiny actually. I don't know if they downsized it, but hoping I get some like a make a Charizard or something. Hopefully. And saving the best for last. Now, you're gonna get in Pokemon Go, alright? Please play Ingress. The reason is because if your phone sucks, that pisses you off to the point where it makes you go out and say, no, F it. I'm gonna buy the best thing out there. So I decided to get myself a new phone. Galaxy S7. God. Can't wait to use this phone. Catch so many Pokemon with it. But anyways, so we're gonna take a look at this thing. Anyways, here it is. I don't know which I should open first. Let's try the cards. Let's try the cards first. This will actually be my first actually opening a Mythical Mew box. I only have one, while other people have like 30, 50 at home. Let's see. I'm not trying to destroy the box, so I'm trying to keep it in good condition. Oh. Huh. There you go. Oh yeah, I ordered a bunch of these too, so I'm gonna order all of them. Wow, that is such a beautiful card. Look at that. Let's see, Mew pen. This is pretty cool. It's really nice too. Okay, I don't know which card booster pack I should open first. I'll open the Venusaur first. Actually, I'll save that for last. Pikachu. I'm not trying to open. I'm not trying to touch this. Break the whole booster pack. Wow. Okay. See, this is my first mythical booster pack I'm opening actually. So the artwork's pretty nice on this. Diglett. Wow. I mean, the artwork's pretty nice on this. It's been a while since I played the card game. Ooh. Even the trainer cards look badass. Fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Motherfucking Charizard. Fuck yeah. Haha. Wow. That is pretty. That is, and believe it or not, when I was 12, I didn't even know what Pokemon was. And I saw a kid flashing. I was never into cards, or I was always into like Nintendo 64 playing 007 Blitz. Anyways, and this kid was flashing this one card, and all the kids were like, Boogly and I in it, like trying to like check it out. And I was like, okay, this caught my interest. And believe it or not, this guy was flashing a Charizard, and I thought that was the most badass card. And a flaming dragon, like it just looked so badass that it sucked me in Pokemon. And I'm still playing it still to this day. And every Pokemon game I play, every has to have a Charizard. So anyway, so let's see what's the next card. Holy fuck! A motherfucking Blastoise. So I get a fucking Charizard and I get a fucking Blastoise X. Huh. Wow, this is my first fucking booster pack opening. Holy shit. Look at that. Charizard and fucking Blastoise. Wow, these cards are beautiful. I'm not trying to touch it, but damn. And Graveler 2. Hell yeah. Alright, I have one more pack. Okay, let's see what I get in this bad boy. Good old Venusaur. See if I can get all three of them Venusaur. Highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. This is probably just going to be a regular. That booster pack had to be a fluke. Meowth, Rhyhorn, Pointa, Clefairy. Clefairy. Another Pikachu type of card. Hello, mate. The female kind. And that was my first booster pack, so try to organize this real quick. Wow, that was an amazing pull. I wasn't expecting that. Honestly, I was expecting just regular cards. So try to so Got this Mew. Try to touch the edges instead of trainer. And Charizard. Wow. I did a nice pull. So, anyways, putting that aside, let's go and open the good old 3DS. I'm not trying to break the box too. Because I don't know how much this bad boy's going to be worth one day. But I always keep my stuff. Sentimental value. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, look at that. God, I haven't bought a Game Boy for so long. Good old Charizard. Oh, I got two. Okay. Should be one more. Okay. That almost got me worried for a second. Wow. Put this on. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Oh, I can't wait. Can't wait. Oh, and also I got an awesome deal. I got it for 19 bucks. They made the mistake, so I got it for only 20 bucks. Brand new. So, anyways, see if this will turn on. Wow, does that look beautiful? I don't know if this is the extra large, but wish it was black, to be honest. But okay, turn on. Hell yeah. It's pretty legit. Wow. Okay, next. You know what? I'll deal with this later. So, but fuck yeah, this is pretty awesome. I only got this for $250. Bought off eBay. Uh, and the last part, Galaxy S7. Wow. Yeah. I didn't get the Edge. It was like only $100 more, but honestly, I didn't really have the money because I spent all this. But yeah, yeah, let's turn it on. Wow, this is a sexy phone. Boom. uh,